Welcome to SolidWorks. Let's start by creating a new document. Select the New Document icon from the standard toolbar. Select Part and click OK. If you have a graphic card issue, like a flickering or black screen, check your hardware acceleration. To do this, you right-click, select Properties, then Settings, choose Display, Advanced, and Troubleshoot. Here is where you decrease your hardware acceleration. Click Apply, then OK, and OK again to get those settings in effect. Another troubleshooting technique you can try is through the Options setting. Systems Options, Performance. Click Use Software OpenGL. Click OK. And this should solve any video display issues you may be having. In the Feature Manager design window, we have three components: the front plane, a top plane, and a right plane. Right-click on the top plane. Choose Insert Sketch. The top panel is turned perpendicular towards us, and we're ready to draw. Let's insert a grid. Click OK. You can access this menu also from the Options tool, Document Properties, Grid, and Snap. Click OK. By the way, if you don't have a grid button, right-click, Customize, choose Command, Sketch, and drag the grid button to your toolbar. You can remove it the same way. Now cancel. Choose a rectangle. From the 0 coordinate, let's draw a rectangle. Now let's give it some dimension. You see here, these two lines are black, and the other two lines are blue. Black means that the line is defined. Blue means the line isn't. Choose the Smart Dimension tool, touch the line, and draw the dimension. The Dimension dialog window opens. Type 80 millimeters. Here are your options to accept, cancel, or regenerate the model. Click Accept. Touch the top line and draw the dimensions. Type 100 millimeters here and click Accept. Now you see all four lines are black. The rectangle is now fully defined. We are ready to extrude now. Click Feature, select the Extrude tool. We've now got a preview of the box. You can drag it up and down, or you can enter the dimensions in this text box right here. We're going to select 50 millimeters, for example. Click on the check mark to accept it. And we have our box. The Extrude feature appears right here. The sketch shows up under the Extrude. SolidWorks is a fully parametrical program. This means we can change any dimension at any time pretty much. Double-click on the box. Let's say we want to change this dimension to 90 millimeters. We click Regenerate. Our box automatically retreats and becomes smaller. Click OK. This concludes our first lesson in SolidWorks.